Hey everyone, I am here in Casa Grande, touring Century Complete, touring their Alamar floor plan. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,290 square feet, and the price is $284,000, guys. Amazing. Stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Kamusta Kababines. My name is Kuya Oscar, your go-to real estate agent here in the greater Phoenix area. Hey guys, if you're brand new to my channel, I go around all the brand new construction communities and I tour their model homes and their move-in ready homes. And I also do area tours as well, guys. So do me a favor, if you're in the market for brand new construction home, hit that like, subscribe, and notification button so you can stay up to date with all the brand new construction communities here in the greater Phoenix area. And if you are looking to purchase, I would absolutely love to be a part of your journey. I've helped numerous buyers already. So yes, definitely reach out to me. Okay, guys. Hey, I am here in Casa Grande. I've been here and I shot some content here plenty of times. And you know, there's so many builders out here too in Casa Grande. If you don't know where Casa Grande is, Casa Grande, you're looking like south of Maricopa. From here to, let's say, Chandler, you're looking at about 30 minutes away from Chandler. Okay, so you're driving through all the Indian reservation. So in Casa Grande, I am touring here in Arroyo Grande, touring Century Complete. I am touring the Alamar floor plan. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, as I had said, 1,290 square feet. And the price, guys, is only $284,000, okay? Century Complete, they are spec builders, so there's like no options, no upgrades that you can do. All of their floor plans, it's already, you know, predetermined, so they build it and you pretty much just buy whatever floor plan that, you know, fits you and your family needs. So again, this is a 3-bedroom. And it's only going for $284,000, guys. So if you're looking for a really, you know, budget-friendly home, guys, this is a very cozy, very cute little home, okay, for, you know, first-time home buyers, even for investment, guys, you know. So this is a great home. You may see a lot of these blue tape. You will see a lot of this blue tape while I'm doing this walkthrough, and that's just because in any new construction home, guys, you know, there will be a point where you do your blue tape walkthrough, or, you know, the builders themselves have seen little discrepancies in the home, so they just mark it with the blue tape. So for instance, it could be as little as you know, sand and painting the doors, you know, little scuff marks here as well, you know. So you'll see that throughout the house, guys, but nonetheless, they will get fixed when and before closing. Okay, so with that being said, stick around to the end of this video. I'll talk about just the HOA, you know, what's around close in proximity to this community, okay, school-wise, grocery-wise, and all that good stuff. Okay, so with that being said, let's get this home tour started. Okay, guys, so here is the Alamar floor plan. There is another Alamar floor plan that is fairly close in the same price, below $300K. This one's going again for $284,000. Okay, we are in Arroyo Grande. There's also some homes that they have here. The community is called Arroyo Vista. And there's actually a community that they're also building in that has no HOA. So I'm going to get the details on that. So as soon as you walk through the front door, you know, here's the foyer area. Off to the right-hand side, you do have a bedroom here. Okay, it's a good-sized bedroom. And this has actually a walk-in closet. So that's nice. Okay, you have LVP flooring. Okay, scratch resistant, water resistant, and also easy to maintain. You know, you don't have to deal with a grout. You do have a full bath right here. As you can see, as I mentioned, there is some blue tape, so it looks like they need to like do some sanding there and just do some paint touch-ups, but very easy fixes. So when you do your blue tape walkthrough, honestly, like just the smallest things too that you see, like here, you know, you just go ahead and mark that with a blue tape. And as you can see, there's like blue tape everywhere, but they're all very minor things, minor blemishes. Okay. Okay, so as I had mentioned, a full bath. Right next to the full bath, you do have another bedroom here. All right, and this one also does have a walk-in closet, so that is really awesome. This floor plan is a 2-car garage. Okay. Here's the garage here. Okay, nice and spacious there. And then here is your laundry room. Here is your water heater. More storage, linen closet. And here is the primary. Good sized primary here. Here is your walk-in closet. Okay, nice shelving system there. And here is your primary bathroom. So you still have the double vanity sinks, nice shelving, and then also a walk-in shower. Okay, so here is the kitchen. Your fridge goes right here. You know, you could do a couple of things here. Honestly, you could probably put like a small little island here in the future if you really wanted to. Or you could put your dining table right here. I would put the sectional over here around this area. And then the TV would go right on this wall right here. So that's how I would set it up. Let me know how you would set it up. But really nice and cozy kitchen, guys. You know, nothing too big, but still a good space. Okay. So really awesome. Now, this home is actually on a pretty good sized lot too. So you have a small little back patio area here. But you're looking at over 6,200 square foot lot, okay? So really good sized backyard. Right across, that is Casa Grande Union High School, I believe. So if you have high school kids, you know, those high schoolers just walking distance. So that's awesome. But really good sized backyard. So, you know, you could put turf back here. You could put a pool back here if you really wanted to, you know. Little sports court area, turf it out, put a trampoline, put a nice gazebo, but really good size backyard. Oh, this side is closed off. Okay, you have your spigot right there. But that's pretty much it. So pretty straightforward floor plan, guys. Okay, again, here's the main living space, kitchen area here. Your primary is just right off of the kitchen, and then you have your other two bedrooms just right down this hallway, the foyer area with a full bath. So really great starter home, guys, or even an investment property. Casa Grande is growing, and yeah, really great price, $284. Okay, guys, so that was a home tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Pretty straightforward, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the HOA. The HOA here is only $60 a month. Also, they are offering $15,000 towards the buyer's closing costs or rate buy down, however you want to use that $15,000. So that's a really awesome incentives because this is a move-in ready home. Okay, there's a few different communities where Century Complete is building. Arroyo Vista is one of them. We are currently in Arroyo Grande. I'm getting some details on this other community where there is no HOA. So if you don't like HOA, guys, that is going to be a great community. Make sure to hit that like, subscribe, and notification so you can see the videos when I post those up. Okay. They're also building in Coolidge. They're also building in Arizona City, and Century Complete again builds spec homes, right? So the lot has already been predetermined as far as the house and also, you know, the finishes inside. There's no options, no upgrades that you can do, but that's how they keep the cost low, guys. Again, this is $284,000. There are some other homes in here that's just over $290, but it's either in the high twos or the very low threes, guys. And they're offering some really great incentives for each of these move-in ready homes. As far as proximity wise, so you are on Treckle and McCartney. Those are the cross streets, okay? If you hang a right out of this community, you're on McCartney. And if you keep on going down, literally like less than 5 minutes away, that's where you have your Fry's grocery store. You'll have your Walgreens there. You'll also have all these, fast food restaurants, Panda Express, Burger King, all that good stuff. Your Starbucks will be there as well. That is literally just less than 5 minutes away, right on McCartney Road. All right. If you want to go to actually the main road where, like I say, the Casa Grande Mall or the Promenade, which will have your, other great restaurants, your movie theater, and other shopping there. That is on East Florence Boulevard. That's about 10 minutes away, guys. You just take Trickle all the way down, follow Trickle all the way down to hit East Florence Boulevard. Actually, also, I did another video. I believe it's on one of my shorts. There's an amazing Mexican / Peruvian, I believe, restaurant, and they have amazing fish tacos there, guys. Take a look at my shorts. I believe it's in one of those. You gotta check that place out, okay? If you are looking to head up to Phoenix, if you take a left on McCartney, I-10 is there. So I-10 is very close by as well, like 5 minutes away. So you are here at like North Casa Grande, okay? North Casa Grande, and you are in proximity to your grocery stores very nearby, and also easy access to I-10. So heading up to Phoenix itself, still about a 45-minute drive there, but, very easy access to the freeway, okay, guys? As far as Chandler goes, again, you're about 30 minutes away. Right next to Chandler, you have Queen Creek, Gilbert, all those other great places, okay? So, again, this is the Alamar floor plan, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any other questions about this floor plan or any of their other floor plans that they have 4-bedroom options as well, 3-car garage options as well. Feel free to reach out to me, leave a comment below, shoot me an email, guys. I would love to answer any of your questions. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and notification. Other than that, guys, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.